Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable AI backgrounds on Facecam Neo from Elgato. To enable AI backgrounds, first of all you need to have an NVIDIA graphics card. Without NVIDIA graphics card it won't work. Of course you can probably download some software that will work with other graphics cards, but if you want to do it through the Elgato Camera Hub, then you need to have the NVIDIA card. And then go to Effects and find AI background, and if it displays this exclamation mark here, then I'm gonna talk about how to install it now, how to install the software for the AI backgrounds. If this exclamation mark doesn't show, you can just simply skip to the next step of this video, which is applying these AI backgrounds. So now I'm gonna install it. I just need to click on download SDK after clicking on the exclamation mark sign, and then scroll down. I'm just gonna translate the site, and you'll see video effects. Video effects are for the AI backgrounds, so you should simply find for your graphics card model. So if you don't know your graphics card version, you should right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager, then go to Performance tab, find GPU, and you'll see I need to select the GPU 0. This is the NVIDIA card that I have, and you can see it's RTX 40 series. So I need to download the 40 series driver. And now it's being downloaded. By the way, there are also AR things for as you can see here, eye contact in AR effects in the Camera Hub, and you can download it if you want to use the eye contact effect. It doesn't work too great, but you may like it. I don't know, you can test it out yourself. And you will need to download the older version, the 0.8.2, because as you can see here, it says it's used in Elgato Camera Hub. And also you need to select the correct one for your generation. And now it's being downloaded, so I'll get back to you when it is indeed downloaded. Now as we can see, that file is downloaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and start installing it, although I need to tell you that it will require a restart. So if that video cuts off at any point and then goes back to like a further point, that will mean that I just have restarted the computer. So yeah, let's begin. I'll probably just tell you when to restart it, but let's wait. Okay, now I can agree to the license agreement. Then there is some problem. I don't know whether I should retry it or something. I'm gonna try to retry. Okay, then I'm gonna ignore it. Maybe it'll work with it being ignored. I hope so. Okay, I think it shouldn't work like that, but I hope it works fine in your case. But as I close it, it should prompt me to restart. But let's see in the Camera Hub. So in the Camera Hub, yeah. So I need to restart it manually, and we'll see if it all works. So I'm gonna stop this video now. And now I've restarted the computer, went into Camera Hub again, and in the AI backgrounds we can notice different backgrounds available. So let's simply select the blur at first. You can see it all works. Then this one works as well. Basically different ones. There are also animated ones like this one. I don't really find a use of this one, but maybe this one is quite great. It's also animated. You can see some like steam going around here and some light effects, and I think it's cool. Then you can also see the second page. You can add more effects. If you simply go to Elgato Marketplace, you can find more effects. And in the blur, you can change the blur strength. So now you can see it's not much blurred out. But if I change the blur strength, now it's blurred out a lot. And I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.